Hey everybody, it's Smooth Virus, call sign Virus. What's up, FPV pilots? So, I have not done a vlog in like forever. Maybe even a year, maybe more. I don't remember the last time I did one. So, this is down in the shop. Yes, it's a mess. I'm almost afraid to show what all's down here, but this is the shop. And I'm unemployed right now, so basically, if I'm not hitting up the job boards or going on interviews, I'm down here either training for IT certifications or building. So that is how the Ether got finished. I finally finished building the Ether. I've flown it. I'm going to post some more video about it. I did post the DVR from the Maiden, so you can see how utterly enormous that wing is. It's just huge. I did a little bit of tuning on it. So yeah, I want to fly it again, but the weather's crap. So I gotta wait. So that's done. Basically what I'm doing right now is I'm getting ready. Even though don't have a job, CFL FPV is a cheap trip, so I'm going to CFL FPV since you can just stay at the summer camp down there and you don't have to pay for a hotel. So that's cheap enough. So I'm building planes to take the CFL FPV with me. Here's the wing that I never finished. I've had that for a while. I need to put the camera and the VTX in it. It's already got a one of those boards in it, the little one. I can't remember the name of the dumb thing. It's got iNav loaded on it. That I need to finish, and I've got a nano goblin just sitting in the box here that I never put together, so I was working on other projects. So I'll get cracking on that today. I'm not planning on bringing the Ether down there because it's so big. Maybe if people ask me to bring it, I might. I don't know. It flies nice. It's slow. It's not like flying my other planes. What else we got down here? Oh, well, I got a Timber. I haven't flown that yet. It's brand new in the box. At least, you know, I may be unemployed, but at least I got a basement full of planes. UMX, Timber, I did fly that. I've flown that a couple times. FX61 is here. I built that to go to CFL FPV last year. And it's fine, it's ready to go. Penguin's back there, I haven't flown that in a long time. Mini Talon needs a couple repairs. I'm on the fence on bringing that because I've flown this plane everywhere. Goblin needs an aileron repair. When I got the aileron upgrade, yeah, I ripped this off at Edgewater Air Park, trying to land on one of the fairways. But other than that, it's fine. I just need to replace the ailerons. There's my old Electra. Some old gliders over here. It's an Art Hobby fuselage. This is my Prelude. There's a crashed X8 wing down there. My old Cadet. These are my line of sight planes. Edge 540. There's the T28 I learned to fly 4 channels on. A little banged up. It should still fly. I haven't flown that in forever. So anyway, I gotta just give you guys a quick update. Since I'm home all day, unless I'm going on an interview or something, I'll try to post more of these. I got a bunch of stuff. There's a bunch of stuff going on in the community. We got the FAA, NPRM. Oh my gosh, what a mess. But I'm sure my bench looks like everybody else's. And there's stuff. Look at all this junk. There's a Pit Lab keyboard and a battery, tools, the fat shirt goggles over there that I use to test all my stuff. More Pit Lab junk, coffee cups. Anyway, yeah, my shop's a mess, but I'm down here working. So yeah, I'm gonna try and, well, I'm gonna try and bring this. I'll see if I can finish this build. I have all the parts. I think I have enough parts to finish this out. I wasn't going to, but since Jason is bringing his big, I think it's an XUAV Clouds, I'll bring my big Talon down. This is the Talon I built last year. And yeah, these are some of my other planes I haven't flown in a long time. I've actually never flown the AJ Slick, but that's not an FPV plane, it's a 3D plane. And the Sky Mule, that's one of my old ones. Anyway, yeah, so there's the shop with all the stuff, storage, from like everybody in the whole family down here. I had to clear out the space just to put my stuff in here. So yeah, I'm gonna get working on this Nano Goblin, and I'll work on the Wing. Anyway, just a quick update, and yeah, you can see there's a bunch of planes there. There's a Banshee back there. I ought to build that. I have a motor and an ESC for it. So yeah, that'd be fun. Let's see if I have a camera. I think I do. Anyway, all right, everybody. I'll try and post some more. I just wanted to make this real quick, but yeah, that's what's going on. All right, Smooth Iris out.